Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need to look for Lexmark this year for Syria. You type here the driver chiller. That's why I'm search the official website for you. I would like to load for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here. That's why the website loading. This here for the printer. You scroll down. This here for looking at the title support. Click here for title. And it's right this here for the title driver and download. Click here, and this here for search by model print. This here for the tech automatic cure operating system. And my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux, this here for the tech automatic cure system operation for the Linux. If you make the operating system for the Windows for the Macintosh, and this here for the tech automatic cure the operating system for the vehicle. This year for the drive recommended for you. This year for the for Windows 11. This year for the firmware. If you need download, you click here for button. Download a driver picking. Click here for button. This year for driver support your printer and scanner. The printer. And this here for support your system operation for the Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, this here for Windows Server, and this here for the language English support, and this here for match the language only support. If you need to download, you click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press play. Finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, you double click here, or you click here. You click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tech automatic USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.